Hello everybody, Kerry again. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about a new finding that I have discovered, and it's an amazing mascara. So I don't know about you, but I've tried loads and loads of different mascaras, and even waterproof ones, which I tend to head for more than the other ones. I find that I always, without doubt, end up with panda eyes, with big smudges underneath and also on top, and it's just a bit of a nightmare for me. So when I do treatments, I look down constantly and working away for a couple of hours, finished with a client, chatting away to the client, taking payment, saying goodbye, and then I look in the mirror at myself and I have big smudges under my eyes. Then what I find myself doing is rubbing really hard like this to get rid of the smudges, which is obviously distressing the skin, the delicate skin around the eyes, which isn't a good move either. So I've hunted high and low, and I have discovered a mascara that does not smudge. Does not smudge, ever. It's almost like the fibre extension mascara gel, if that means anything to anybody. So there is a mascara on the market which is mascara that's meant to extend your lashes. So there's one tube which is like a gel that you apply to your lashes. There's a second tube with like really soft little fibres that you put on top of the wet gel mascara that you've just put on, and then you apply a second layer of gel to seal those fibres in. So it's like the gel from that mascara. It's like a creamy rubber sort of, it sounds a bit excessive rubber, it's like a creamy sort of mascara. And it lengthens and it thickens, and it also nourishes your eyelashes at the same time. But I cannot express how much this mascara does not smudge, which is a brilliant find for me. It's easy to remove, so a little bit of cleanser with water or just soap with water. I actually don't cleanse my makeup off of an evening, so in the shower in the morning, get the bubbles from my hair, and I just gently rub over my eyes, and the mascara's off when I come out of the shower. So I'm going to apply some to my lashes to show you what it's like. This is the tube, this is the bottle, so it looks nice, not that makes much difference. And yeah, let me show you. I'm a bit blind without my glasses, so I'm doing this a bit freehand. Here we go. So I apply from root to tip, but on my first layer, I like to just make sure that I'm getting the base of my lashes covered, and I always apply 2 layers. So I've got the base covered now, and I'm just going to work on adding some length. So I'm just working on the tip of the lash, and yeah, just gently stroke up. So it dries really quickly. It dries really quickly, and that will be me for the day, sorted with my mascara, with no smudging. Brilliant, 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 brilliant mascara. So if I'll put the details of the mascara in the notes, and if you want to purchase some, it's $9.99. So it's even a good price. Okay, that's all for now, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.